Hey now, welcome back. Hey, so today we coming to you live from the garage shop mess disaster. Got all kind of stuff going in here. Anyway, just cleaning up a little bit. So my wonderful wife has replaced my old air compressor. I had this guy right here. So Craftsman, I think it was a 30 gallon. I think it was a 30 gallon portable rolling air compressor. Anyway, I've had this thing since when I got into automotive shop type stuff. The data plate on there says that it was built, I remember I had got it when I was in high school. I think right there, yep. Built in 1992. So yeah, I've this thing has traveled around with me for a good little while. I've had it since at least 92. It's been good, still works. Not sure what I'll do with it. But anyway, I was looking at the Home Depot and like their Black Friday sales or whatever. They had these Huskies on special, which is, for me, I don't know, it stands up so it's more out of the way, just clears up some. There's a big difference between that much floor space and that much. So this will be its home right here in this corner. I have, of course, run it one time just to make sure it was working and all that. It's a lot more quieter. It took it a while, I don't know, 12 or so minutes to build up a full tank. And it's a 20 gallon. $100 more, I could have got the extra 10 gallon tank, but I figured this one will work. I don't do a whole lot of work, too much. But I think that it'll work fine, and it rolls a lot easier than that other one. Stand up, so you just take it by the handle and roll it where you need it. So when I need it out in the yard or whatever for building stuff, it'd be a little bit easier to transport, I think. Yeah, 175 working PSI. Which I think this one was actually only 150. Yeah, so this new one has got more working, 25 more PSI working power. So I think that it'll work out good. It's got quick connect for your hose. You dial in what you want your outgoing pressure. Small compact engine sitting on the top there. So yeah, I just wanted to, anybody need an air compressor or whatever, that's I thought it was a pretty good deal. I think we got it for 180. Like I say, it was on the thing, on the Black Friday sales or whatever. So yeah, that's the new air compressor. Once we get it tubed in and hoses running, I'm sure that we'll take a look at it. So yeah, I'd like to say the mess. I got light fixture hanging down. I ain't got it out. I switched out all the lights in the shop to LEDs. Daytime's not a whole lot of difference, but at nighttime it sure is bright. So anyway, today actually is going to be a concrete day. See if I can knock out some more of my little walkway. There's the old farm tractor. Got a lot of crap in here I need to get rid of. As you can see in the back there, that's my little wood shop and my work table for my chainsaws. Big pile of wood that I'll use on something, I guess, one day. Horse crap, animal fees, crazy dog. But yeah, that's about it right there. I just wanted to share that with you real quick. Anyway, I haven't used it. I did, like I said, I did run it. Runs good. It's loud, but it's quieter than my old one. And when I say loud, I don't know. It's not extremely loud. So, electric engine, oilless operation. So, I don't know, man. I think that I'm gonna like it as much as I don't use a lot of air. Messing around with some stuff here and there, I'll use it. Mostly nail guns at this point. Yeah, I think that's about it. Well, I had to pull the tractor out one day and do a good walk over it. It's been a tremendous help around here. Down there with the cutter the other day on the working on that shooting range a little bit, making me a little rifle range down there. But anyway, so that's it. My new Husky 175 psi 20 gallon air compressor. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. We are out here.